What is up everybody, it's your boy Gaijin Invader, and in this video I will be showing you how I will be demonstrating to you how the YouTube algorithm normalizes your uploaded videos up to the new -14 LUFS loudness units full scale standard that a lot of the streaming platforms have adopted, and that includes Spotify, iTunes, YouTube. However, Soundcloud has not implemented such a normalization method yet. And first of all, I'll show you. I have the volume at 100. If we go to stats for Ned, 100, and over here at Soundcloud it's also at the maximum. So let's do a quick A/B first, and we'll see how it sounds. Now let's switch to SoundCloud. Back to YouTube. Wow, you can immediately tell the difference, how much louder the SoundCloud version is, even though it's the very same track uploaded by the same user, no-dusk. And what we can actually see over here in the stats for nerds is that with the volume up to 100, see up here it's up to 100, the content has been normalized by the YouTube algorithm down to 43% of the original loudness, or equivalent of 7.4 decibels, which means it's more than half the loudness of what it was uploaded as, because 6 decibels is usually double the loudness of the content. So how can one producer use this SoundCloud feature that it doesn't have a loudness algorithm? That means you can mix and master your tracks really loud on SoundCloud and still stand out from the crowd. But the negative thing is that you are getting into the loudness war, while YouTube is trying to fix that and get everybody up to one loudness standard and stop focusing on the compression and how loud your track is, but instead focus on the content you post and the musicality of music instead of loudness.